I'm happy this happened. It's a historical moment. First time ever that a black man has been in the presidency. I mean, this hasn't been a moment like this in history yet. So today, today everybody represent Obama and represent Obama as a man. You know, don't disgrace Obama. Represent Obama as a man. And today we're gonna sing, uplift, and bring Obama's presidency because that's what we're gonna do. We're here to do, man. We here to see that. It's my brother right here. My brother right here. You gotta know he's
definitely, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, definitely we're young, educated, young black men from George Mason University. And we definitely don't feel like you should be out here ranting and acting crazy. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, this is the first black president. I mean, this is all about unity.
No way. It's all about unity, man. It's all about unity. You see everybody out here, it's all love. It's all love. All about unity. But
unity and love.
Hey, I love, there's no...
It's all love.
All love. Hey, yo. Hey, I definitely, there's no way I feel the same about every single race. But the way we feel right now is that it touches the soul because it's never been this. So we have to